Right, let me go with the problem number 16. Here what the question is, what the LCM and HCF of the numbers 28 and 42 are in the ratio, right? So we are supposed to find the LCM and as well as HCF, and then we need to find the ratio of LCM to HCF. Let us find out your LCM of 28 and 42. So let me find out here. Right, 28 and as well as 42, start dividing by 2, 2 14s are, right, 2 2s are 1s are, right. Now you can directly go with 7, right, 7 2s are, right, 7 3s are. So now 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 is the LCM, that is 2 2s are 4 into 7 3s are 21, 21 4s are 84. 84 is the LCM. Now let us check out with the HCF. To find the HCF, so you go with the division method, right? That is going to be, let me divide 42 by 28. 28 1s are 28, right? 12 minus 8 is 4. Right, 3 minus 2 is 1, right. Next is, so from 14 you need to divide 28, so 28, 14 2s are 28, so now it is 0, so that's what the 14 is the HCF of those two numbers, that is 28 and 42, HCF is 14, right. Now we need to find the LCM, ratio of LCM and HCF, that is going to be how much, that is 84 is the LCM and is to 14. Now simplify it here. I'll try to simplify by using, right, so I'll divide by 2. Let me start dividing by 2. So 2 4s are, right, 2 2s are, 2 7s are. Further I can divide by 7, right, here I divided by 2 and then I will divide by 7. 7 6 are 42, 7 1s are 7. So the answer here is 6:1. Option A is the right one.